Hello friends, welcome to Dynamite Knowledge and Computer. Now, today's video is based on the topic deletion at a specified position from double linked list. Okay, let's start with it. First of all, we will name the function as delete sp. sp means specified position. Then this particular statement that if start equals to null, it will check that whether our list is empty or not. If our list is empty and still we want to perform the deletion operation, then it will keep us under flow condition. This is discussed in previous videos also many times. Okay, then we will read the position. Read the position, that means we will set the position from where we want to delete a particular node. Okay, so I have here assumed one list having 3 nodes and I want to delete from the second position. Okay, then we will set temp is equal to start. One pointer we will set which will help us to traverse the list and to that particular position from where we want to delete that particular node. Okay, so we will set temp at start, that is pointing to the node that is a starting node, that is first node. Okay, after that we will call the count node function. We will call this count node function. Okay, here this particular statement that whether position greater than count, it will check that whether our position where we want to delete that particular node is greater than the number of nodes in our list or not. Okay, so now in our list we have 3 nodes. So suppose I would have given that I want to delete from the 4th position, then 4 is greater than 3. So in that particular case definitely it will give us the invalid condition. Okay, now suppose I set position at 0, then also it will give me the invalid condition. Okay, so I have set here position is equal to 2. So this condition becomes false and the rest statements will be executed. This count node, it is explained in detail in my previous video. The link is given in the description box, you can go through it. Okay, then else if position is equal to 1. This particular statement means suppose I want to insert from the beginning of my double linked list. So that is also explained in detail in my previous video. The link is given in the description box, you can go through it. Okay, now suppose this is the main, now the main thing come, that now suppose I want to delete from the other positions, as I have set position as 2, then this else part will be executed. We will set I is equal to 1. Okay, I is equal to 1. Then we will use the while loop. While, that is I less than position. While 1 less than 2, this condition is true. So this while loop will be executed. So here we will use another pointer as save. Okay, so that it can save the address of our temp node, that is the just previous node from the node from where we want to delete that particular node. Okay, it will be clear when you see the diagram. So here set save is equal to temp. So we will save here the node, that is now the temp pointer is pointing to the node whose address is 1000. So we will save it 1000 and then we will set temp is equal to temp next. Okay, temp is equal to temp next. Okay, then again, so now and then here one more set, we will set one more statement, that is I is equal to I plus 1. This particular statement, that is set I is equal to I plus 1. Here what will happen is that wait a minute, here here set I is equal to I plus 1. So this particular statement here, the I is 1, now at present I is 1, so after temp is equal to temp next, I will become 2. Okay, so now it will check that whether that is 2 less than 2. So now this condition becomes false. So now no more the while loop will be executed. So it will come out of the while loop. Then what we will do is that we will take another pointer so that there will be no confusion. We will set pointer ptr is equal to temp next. Now see, at present the temp is at 2000 and temp next is where? Temp next is at 3000. So we will set the pointer ptr at 3000. Okay, and then what we will do, we will set save next is equal to PTR. So now save is pointing to 1000 and PTR is pointing to 3000. So we will set save next as PTR, that is 3000, and then it will no more point to the node whose address is 2000, and it will point to the node whose address is 3000, that is PTR. Okay, then we will set PTR pref is equal to save. Here PTR pref, it is pointing to temp, but now after this particular statement PTR pref is equal to save, it will store the address 1000 and it will point back to this particular statement, that is this particular node whose address is 1000. Okay, and after that deallocate temp. So this particular temp, it will be deleted. Understood? So here PTR is 3000, PTR is temp next, then save next, it will store the address of PTR as 3000, it will point to here. Then PTR pref is equal to save. Here it will store the address of our save, that is 1000, and point back to the node whose address is 1000. And here now they have nothing to do with the node whose address is 2000, that is the temp. So this temp will be deallocated, that is deleted. Okay, and then endif and then exit. So this is about the deletion at a specified position. So our list will be visible in this way after the deletion of the node from the second position. Okay, the second node is deleted and the third node becomes the second node. And earlier there were 3 nodes in our list, and after deletion we have only 2 nodes present. Okay, so this is all about today's video, and soon I'll be coming with more conceptual videos. Till then, stay gold, stay safe, and please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
But we don't talk anymore.